Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ClickUp projects and archived spaces step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling ClickUp projects and archived spaces, log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the sidebar on the left of your screen. Locate and click on the workspace you want to manage. Once inside the workspace, find the Spaces section. Click on the space that contains the projects you wish to uninstall. To view archived spaces, click on the Archive tab in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the space you want to unarchive or uninstall from the archive list. If you choose to unarchive, click on the three-dot menu next to the space name. Select Unarchive Space from the drop-down menu. The space will now be restored and visible in your main workspace view. To uninstall a project, navigate back to the main workspace view. Click on the Projects section in the sidebar. Select the project you wish to uninstall. Open the project settings by clicking on the three-dot menu next to the project name. Choose Delete Project from the options available. Confirm your choice in the pop-up window by clicking Delete. You have successfully uninstalled the selected project. To ensure everything is removed, check the Archive tab for any leftover spaces or projects. Repeat the steps as necessary for any additional spaces or projects you wish to uninstall. Once completed, your ClickUp environment will be organized according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.